People, however young they are, they do relate to their memories of their grandparents' homes, wanting to go back to those beautiful memories from their childhood. So we always try to evoke those memories within a house. For a client who's been in the US for so long, I think they had that longing to come back to their roots, feel those memories coming back to them, and that's what we've tried to evoke here. Hi, I'm Meera Pyarelal and I am the founder and creative director at Templetown, and today I am taking you through the Terracotta Sanctuary. For more chapters and the PDF ebook, do log into buildofy.com. The Terracotta Sanctuary is located in Kochi in Kerala. It's around 6,000 square foot carpet area and 9,600 total area, and it is situated within a gated community called Anugrah Srishti, and they specialize in eco-friendly and sustainable architecture. As you enter this property, you can see a quaint little veranda which has these traditional pillars on either side. Then you enter into the living room where we've actually used a day bed, which there is a general misconception that in small spaces you might not be able to use a day bed, but it works perfectly in this space. The artwork in this space is actually a collection of old property documents, which is an amazing feature here. There is a bench that looks out into the landscaped area outside. We have two 3-seater sofas, which again have a lot of storage with them. From the living room, we move into the foyer. So this happens to be one of my favorite spots in the house. This is an antique door that we've created from old antique pieces. It might look like an art installation, but actually it is a sliding door that goes into the powder wash here. And there's also this beautiful botanical painting here that was actually done by one of our own architects. And this happens to be one of my favorite spots in this house. From this passageway, we walk into the dining room. I would have to say this is a star piece here. It is an old salvage door that we have repurposed into a dining table. And to add more charm and interest to it, we have used old antique plates inside these. Talking about the light here, it has been custom made at Templetown. It's made of brass and we were inspired by temple bells. We didn't actually have a lot of space because we've used a large chandelier, so we wanted it to kind of merge in with the ceiling and the white, and hence we could find these really energy efficient fans from Atomberg, which are a perfect blend of innovation, design and also energy saving, and it goes with the design ethos of the house as well. From the dining, I am going to take you into this beautiful traditional Indian kitchen. We created a feature wall here filled with wooden utensils that we've actually sourced from different parts of India. This kitchen actually leads into a beautiful veranda which has traditional columns. From there, we enter into the guest bedroom in the ground floor. There's the browns, the whites and the greens, but the bandhani cushions here, they provide an absolute right of colors in this room. Another beautiful feature about this bedroom is that the entire bedroom opens out into a beautiful veranda here. From the guest bedroom, as we walk towards the right, we move into the passageway that leads into the master bedroom. There's a beautiful fantasy 4-poster bed. There are treasure chests that have been converted into side tables here. There is a beautiful old window here that doubles up as a mirror. The master bedroom actually has a built-in walk-in closet, and it has a very elaborate bathroom which has 2 sinks, a tub, a shower area. The central focal point here is the staircase. It is not just a functional element, but it is a statement piece. It has a Theyyam art here. It's like an artist peeping out from behind the curtains. We've also used Atomberg tiles on the risers here, which actually adds a visual rhythm when you ascend the stairs. Coming to the first floor, as you ascend the stairs, you walk into this large open space, which is majorly meant for entertainment. There is a veranda here with outdoor furniture and a landscape space here. On the first floor, there are 2 bedrooms. On to the left, we have the terracotta dominant bedroom. And we have contrasted that with this Worli painting. And as you all know, Worli painting is from Maharashtra and is supposed to be one of the oldest art forms in the world. It also has a very functional yet aesthetic bathroom as well. On to the right hand side, we have another bedroom, where the major statement piece here is the headboard that we had actually sourced from Jodhpur. The entertainment area then leads into a very quaint functional home theatre meant for 4. So the overall material palette is terracotta tiles, cement oxides for the floors, lime plastered walls, bricks on the outside. Most of the pieces have been made in our workshops, but at the same time we've used a lot of repurposed doors, windows. We try to use period furniture that has an indigenous touch, and at the same time we're trying to preserve and promote Indian luxury.
We want to show Indians itself that we have plenty of our own talent and art here that we can easily combine with the world, and we are at par or even better at these arts, and we need to feel that we can promote our own Indian art as luxury.
So for us, it's always bringing in things from the past, but we never compromise on the technology or any of the modern things that the client needs. We've done the same here as well. We haven't compromised on any of their modern comforts. It's a paradox, actually, when you think about it. It's modern India, so you want the best of both worlds, and that's what we've tried to do here.